How to see who someone recently followed on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Then click on the profile or open the profile you want to see who someone recently followed. Then click on following at the top. After you're in the following, by default, sometimes it will show recently followed people at the top in the following. If you don't find here, you can simply scroll through the following and see who they recently followed in here. After that, you can go to the person they followed profile and check. And this is how to see who recently someone followed on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.